So the question for this video presentation is, what is the procedure to get a Singapore permanent residency or citizenship? How fast can I get Singapore PR or citizenship? And sometimes people do also ask us, can I get Singapore PR or citizenship while staying in abroad? So, worldwide there are many countries where you can buy permanent residency or citizenship in a specific country. And people expect that that will be available in Singapore also. Unfortunately, the schemes in Singapore are slightly different, and let's quickly have a look on it. So, first, let's understand the permanent residency and citizenship path. So, the citizenship in Singapore cannot be directly applied. So, nobody can directly make an application for the citizenship. To apply for citizenship, you must be permanent resident in Singapore, and you should have stayed on permanent residency at least for a period of 2 to 4 years, depending upon various factors. So, if you are a permanent resident and if you have stayed for this much time, then only you are eligible to apply for citizenship. And once you file the citizenship application, it will take around 1.5 years for authorities to decide, and then you will come to know about the outcome of your application. Now, permanent residency itself again cannot be directly applied while you are abroad. So, somebody staying in some foreign country cannot apply permanent residency directly. There are two routes to get the permanent residency. The first route is via employment pass or entry pass. In the sense, you should be working in Singapore on employment pass or entry pass, and you should have stayed in Singapore on this work pass at least for a period of 3 to 6 years before you can file your application for permanent residency. Only after this period you can file the application, and if approved you will get the permanent residency status. The other option is called as GIP, Global Investor Program. So this GIP scheme is a kind of a direct route to permanent residency in Singapore. And if you fall in this category, if you satisfy the requirement of a global investor program, you can apply for this program, and within less than 1 year, generally between a period of 6 to 9 months, your permanent residency application will get approved, and then you can shift to Singapore on a PR visa. So in summary, the direct route to permanent residency is only GIP. So what are the GIP program requirements? So these requirements are pretty stringent, and to qualify for GIP permanent residency visa, you should currently be running a company with an annual total turnover of at least Singapore dollar 200 million in a year. The second requirement is that you own at least 30% of this company. So you should hold at least 30% shares in this company. And then lastly, you are ready to put in at least 2.5 million Singapore dollars in approved venture capital fund as an investment. So as you can see, the requirements are quite stringent. Somebody who is running a company of turnover with $200 million and at least owning 30% of such a company only qualify for GIP permanent residency in Singapore. So if I go back to this picture, I will say that for most of the people, the entry path is going to be employment pass, entry pass, then permanent residency, and then citizenship. And as you see here, it is going to take minimum of 5 to 10 years of time to achieve this citizenship. GIP obviously is a fast track option, but as you have seen, the criteria is quite stringent.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.